Many years ago I saw a picture or a drawing or something of someone carrying, or that you could carry, bucksaw blade, flexible bucksaw blade like this, in a pocket behind your belt. So, but you don't need to do that. Most backpacks, this is a 35-liter day pack, military one, but still, the civilian ones are very similar. And inside these backpacks, they have a stiff back, and usually they have some aluminum rods or something. And this one has exactly that. It has one here. That means that this blade can be hide behind this. I can shove it down here. That way I always have a saw, a real saw, not just a pocket saw, a real saw with me. If you have a bigger pack, like a pack frame pack, they usually have a lot of tubing, and this blade is not too wide, so it might even fit inside the tube. So, and it's also flexible, so you can do whatever you want to pack it. Doesn't weigh much, so it's absolutely something to consider carry. This blade I use is a 21-inch blade. It's a little bit short for real firewood gathering. You kind of need a little bit bigger one, like 30 inches or something like that would be perfect. But this is way better than a folding saw anyway. We're gonna take down trees and stuff. Okay, I hope this video inspired you to make your own saw. There's also several other ways to make buck saws, but this is kind of one of the simplest one. And I also hope you liked the wood splitting way. So without an axe, just a saw blade, you can split wood, even for your stove in your cabin, or in this case to get dry wood from the core of the log itself. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions about this or other stuff, just put it in a comment field and I'll try to answer you as quickly as possible. See you soon in my next video.